How the 2026 global economy will affect your money. By 2026, your money won't lose value loudly. It will lose value quietly. Not through a sudden crash, not through headlines screaming financial crisis, but through slow, invisible shifts in the global economy that most people won't notice until it's too late. The question isn't, will the economy change? It's who will be prepared and who will pay the price. Today, we're breaking down exactly how the 2026 global economy will affect your income, savings, job, and investments, and what smart people are doing right now to protect themselves. Part 1. The new normal, slow growth, high pressure. By 2026, the world economy will not be booming, but it won't be collapsing either. Instead, we'll be stuck in a dangerous middle zone. Slower economic growth, higher living costs, persistent financial pressure on households. Governments will call it stabilization. Economists will call it a soft landing. But for regular people, it will feel like running faster just to stay in the same place. Your salary may increase on paper, but rent will rise faster. Food will stay expensive. Utilities, healthcare, and education will cost more. This means real purchasing power will continue to shrink, even if inflation numbers look under control. Part 2. Interest rates. Why debt will feel heavier. Interest rates by 2026 are expected to remain higher than the 2010 to 2020 era. That era of cheap money is over. What this means for you: credit cards stay expensive. Car loans cost more. Mortgages remain harder to afford. Debt will become a luxury tax on the middle class. People with assets benefit from higher rates. People living on borrowed money suffer. If you rely heavily on debt to survive, the 2026 economy will quietly drain you every single month. Part 3. Jobs. Security will matter more than pay. The biggest mistake people make is assuming AI will take all the jobs. The truth is more subtle and more dangerous. By 2026, routine jobs will shrink. High-skill jobs will multiply. Low-skill wages will stagnate. The real divide won't be rich versus poor. It will be adaptable versus replaceable. If your job can be automated, outsourced, or simplified, it's at risk. If your job involves strategy, creativity, decision-making, technical expertise, you'll have leverage. Job hopping for higher pay will slow down. Job stability and skill ownership will become more valuable than flashy titles. Part 4. Savings. Why cash alone will fail you. By 2026, keeping money only in cash will be one of the biggest financial mistakes. Not because cash disappears, but because it slowly rots. Even low inflation destroys savings over time. Let's be clear. Saving is necessary. Hoarding cash is dangerous. People who rely solely on savings accounts will feel poorer every year, even if their balance grows. The economy rewards money that moves, not money that hides. Part 5. Investments. The shift from hype to reality. The 2026 investment landscape will punish emotional investors. Speculation, hype stocks, and get-rich-quick assets will underperform. What will perform better? Cash flow generating assets. Businesses solving real problems. Infrastructure and essential services. Defensive investments. This doesn't mean no risk. It means smart risk. The era of blind optimism is gone. The era of selective, disciplined investing has begun. Those who understand this will grow quietly. Those who chase trends will lose loudly. Part 6. Inflation. The silent thief still working. Inflation won't disappear by 2026. It will slow, but it will never fully reverse.
Part 7. Global shifts. Why the world feels unstable. By 2026, global power will be more fragmented. Trade will be more regional. Supply chains more expensive. Part 8. Who wins in the 2026 economy? The winners won't be the loudest or richest. They will be people who own skills, not just jobs. Control expenses aggressively. Invest consistently, not emotionally. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Part 9. What you should do right now to survive and win in the 2026 economy. 1. Reduce bad debt aggressively. 2. Learn a high-income or scalable skill. 3. Stop relying on one income source. 4. Invest with discipline, not hype. The 2026 global economy won't destroy everyone, but it will expose everyone. It will expose weak financial habits. It will expose dependency on debt. It will expose outdated skills. And it will reward people who understood the shift early. The economy is changing. The only real question is, will your money change with it?